What's going down, guys? Today we're talking about how to be a full-time video creator versus being a full-time freelancer. That, on the surface level, might appear like a very similar thing. Without further ado, let's jump into this episode. Very interesting episode, very interesting take on being a full-time video creator. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you want to watch the full episode of the podcast, it is linked down below. Let's do it. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. I've been a full-time video creator since I was 18 years old. Well, I mean, technically, I've been a full-time video creator since I was like 15 years old, right? But let's say I was making consistent money over thousands a month since I was probably 18 years old, right? 20 years old right now, turned 21 in September. Is June when I'm making this video right now. That's about 4 months, 3 months. So I've been freelancing for like 3 years. No, 2 years. Over 2 years, okay? So just over 2 years. And I've been a full-time video creator this entire time. I've only been a full-time freelancer for a period of it. And that's what I'm going to talk about now is full-time video creator over full-time freelancer. And I'm talking specifically about the video creation industry, right? So maybe we say full-time creator over full-time freelancer, right? Full-time creator is I've basically enabled these systems and these strategies and these kind of ulterior motives, or I don't even, that's definitely the wrong word, just different avenues, right, for securing myself a consistent income that comes through multiple different streams and enables me to be a full-time video creator, even if I'm not a full-time freelancer. I've only made $500 in the last 30 days on freelancing, right? Obviously that's the slowest month in the past 2 years. The reason that's happening now is because my YouTube channel income is exceeding, and obviously the more work you put in, the more the multiplier multiplies and the more income creates, essentially. My mind is a little bit slow this morning. I'm tired. It's 10:14 a.m. But basically, I've been a full-time video creator for the past 2+ years, 2.5 years. Only been a full-time freelancer for, let's say, up until maybe let's say 2 years I was a full-time freelancer. Now I'm a full-time video creator because I've got these systems which I had been working on for the whole course of my freelance journey, which are now paying me significant money. Those systems being, for example, the YouTube channel, which is something where, a creator like me, I make videos every single day. You make videos every single day for 24 months. Eventually you wake up and, you're making a bunch of money on AdSense revenue. Then you're getting a bunch of views and you start reviewing, products, right? So let's have a look, right? You know what I mean? People send me shit. Let's dig in the bag, find some stuff, right? What's it called? This just came the other day. This is some LED light, right? Let's have a look what they do right here. It changes color and stuff like that. So they sent me this the other day, right? Let's have a look. This just came the other day. This is a gimbal. The G6 Plus is a gimbal. So now I'm getting products sent to me. That's cool. Now I can do product reviews and I can make a video reviewing this, which I love making videos. Perfect. Now I got something to make a video on. I can make a video on this, reviewing it, and then I can use affiliate links in the description. And the affiliate links, if someone buys it through my link, I get money. So I'm basically, and also on top of that, the YouTube video that I make reviewing it makes AdSense money. And then also in the future, I have an idea of maybe starting an equipment rental business once I've been sent so much awesome stuff, and then I just start renting the equipment that they send me and sell the stuff that's not good. So you see, there's so many routes to get to the money once you essentially start building, a business. But a lot of the kind of routes that get to the money do revolve over essentially setting up some sort of online brand for yourself and stuff like that, where being a full-time video creator versus a full-time freelancer is far less stressful. If I was a full-time freelancer, I remember when I was nonstop freelancing all the time, right? I wouldn't be able to do some stuff that I would want to do because I need to make the money, right? All right, damn, I got this project. This project's going to pay me money today. Or I got these YouTube videos. The YouTube videos won't pay me money till a few years from now, which this is the mindset of me like a couple years ago, right? And, I would have to prioritize the stuff that's going to make me the money today, which is the freelance stuff, and I'd still be really trying to put that work into the YouTube videos along the side because I knew later that would be making me money. So at the end of the day, you got to pay the bills. You got to still prioritize the things that is, going to be obviously benefiting you the most, and I guess the one that you deem is the most important at that time, right? But having a little strategy in the background, like a YouTube channel or something like that, where you're essentially uploading content, building it up, and then the future you is going to reap the benefits of this little work that you're doing today. That's very, very smart, essentially. Not to give myself a pat on the back because that's fucking exactly what I did. But yes, that is very smart. And honestly, it would be strategic to do something like that because you're making your time work for you opposed to time working against you, where 100 days pass and now you are 100 steps forward to your future income, which is going to be coming to you through creating videos. That's what I mean. So again, I'm a little bit of a different character in this space where my mind is almost like an entrepreneurial business mind first, and then like a creative mind second. So when I see this format, this platform, being a creative, being a video creator, I see all the ways I can make a business as well as creating the content. You know what I mean? So this right here is just basically the method that I've essentially been using, which is to be doing things that are going to bring you money today, setting things up that's going to bring you money tomorrow via these kind of like money-making methods. And that's the mindset. Very rambled, right? I ramble a lot, but I'm sure if you're watching this, there's little gems and stuff like that. But being a full-time video creator over a full-time freelancer is something you should be aspiring to do. It's going to enable you to have a much more consistent income, especially with the YouTube channel. I'll tell you that for free. It's June right now, June 2019. I'm making like $3,000 a month on YouTube, June 2019. I was making $200 a month, June 2018. So in a year, my income went from 200 to 3,000, which, what's it going to be in a year from now, right? But the freelance income, for me to turn my income from 200 to 3,000, it'd be significant. My income, if I wanted to be a full-time freelancer again, I'd make $2,000 a month, no problem, easily. But to make, to triple that, you have to do a lot of work. To triple a YouTube income, you don't actually have to do that much work. You just got to be consistent with it. And, it's a little bit more efficient. And basically, boom, full-time video creator over being a full-time freelancer. It'll enable you to make more money quicker and also, be less stuck in that sort of system of trading your time for money, because trading your time for money, unless you are, able to do really high-ticket stuff, 10 grand for a project, 50 grand for a project, trading your time for money is not the most efficient way to do it. Definitely not the most efficient way to get financial freedom. Being a full-time video creator over a full-time freelancer. I'm loving this podcast so far.